Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today my art lesson about how to put human figures in watercolor painting. Human figure makes a painting live and very beautiful. So beginners, please watch my full video. I will keep the process very simple and easy. Hope you will enjoy it and please subscribe my channel. Without sketch painting, start with skin tone, the color mixed by Charlotte Lake with yellow color. I left the paper white because the man wearing a white sandal. Now paint the lungi with cobalt blue and yellow color. This make the dress effect very nice. And keep the paper white left because the effect of sunlight it's make the painting beautiful. Now I am painting a little girl holding with her father's hand. Just one layer painting. Hope it is very easy for beginners. Now paint the hair of both figures. Now paint the shadow. Shadow is the very important thing. Shadow make the painting object looking real. Now start with the same method. Now I am painting a woman figure. Now paint the sari with mixture of cobalt blue and yellow color. You can also watch my another painting lesson how to draw cards in watercolor painting. You can watch the video above I button. Now I am painting a group of figures, 3 friends. So watch. At first I use the skin tone. Now I am painting the body posture, the dress, and attach them with colors. Now I am painting a couples from back side. So the head with deep color, keep the painting wet in wet and let flow the colors. It looks beautiful. It's make a abstract look and your painting looking great. This is a woman figure. I paint the first head and a warm color using the dress. I make the dress, striped dress, and now the important thing is the shadow. The shadow is behind. It means light coming from the front. Now I am painting a man with a blue blazer. For beginners, I am painting various type of human figures. Now the lower person, I am using dry brush technique. Sometimes dry brush looks great. And now I will attach another figure with him. This guy is wearing also a jacket and indicate something, and the lower portion. Now I am painting the shadow right side. It means light coming from left side. Now I am painting another human figure. It is also from back side. A man with blue shirt. I am using 230 GSM paper and I am using number 4 round brush. The skin tone, and again I left some paper white to show the light effect, and you can see the color flowing. It's automatically make a shadow on her shirt. This time I am painting a kids holding her hand. It's maybe a woman or man. So I hope beginners learn how to paint human figures in watercolor. You can use this formula in your watercolor painting. Hope this tutorial video will help beginners, and if you like my video, please subscribe my channel and please support me to encourage me to make more video like that. Thank you for watching my video.